Welcome to Cooking with Josh. Tonight we'll be making samyang ramen with samyang ramen, a used plastic fork, and a used ramen cup, and some water eventually. So let's go ahead and start out by getting our ramen into the cup. Look at that. Nice thing of ramen. Okay, so the ramen does not fit currently, so what we're going to have to do, we're going to have to be a little technical here. We're going to have to break the ramen. And that's still not fitting very well. Okay, so we're just going to put some of the ramen off to the side, and we're going to break it again. Ooh. Okay, so once we've broken up some of the ramen, see we've gotten a cup here, we're gonna break up the other ramen. Okay, just stick it in there. Stick that. Oh, fuck. Just gonna break this again. Okay, it's looking good. It's looking good. So we've got our ramen packed nice and tight within this cup. So next thing's next, we're going to go ahead and pour some of this bad boy sauce in there. So we're just gonna, I'm cooking this like instant, oh fuck, it's all over my mouse pad now. Okay, so we're just gonna like pour some of this. Yeah. Yeah. Okay, not all of it though. So now that we've got some stuff in it, let's go get some water. Okay, we're currently walking to the water fountain, and we're gonna, how the fuck, yeah, you're gonna do that. Just gonna get some water on there. Yeah, got it, just lots of water. That's enough water. So let's go and take her down. So let's go walk it down. So now we're at the microwave. We're just gonna pop her open and stick her in there for about 2 minutes. We'll be right back. Okay, so so it's done with like the 2 minutes. So let's go and open her up. Okay, yep, that looks like some shit. But we're just gonna sink that bad boy back in. Make sure she's nice and submerged, and we're just gonna pop it. Wait, give me a second. Okay, we're back. So let's take this out of the mic. Yeah, that. So we're gonna just do this over here. So we have ramen, we have packet. 1 second. So pour a little bit of the spicy sauce right in there. About as much as you like. Yep, that seems about good. Toss that bitch away. We're gonna use our partially used fork. We're just gonna, yeah. Okay, the ramen looks about done. Just gonna, oh fuck. Just gonna. Yeah. Yep. Oh yeah, looks good to me. Yum. My name is Joshua and I've been your host for making ramen. Have a good night.